I'm going to share this little package that I just opened. So my friend Ashley sent me this package a couple days ago, and I hadn't opened it until just now. And it's honestly so needed right now. Like, I woke up feeling like very down. My mental health has been like up and down lately. Like, it's been a struggle, and I feel like today is like at the peak. Like, it's very hard, but I'm here. I'm going to get some work done, but I want to show you guys really quick what she sent me. She knows me very, very well. She got me these stickers. I am proud of who I am. Dream without fear, love without limits. She knows that I'm a person of affirmation, so she's got me these little affirmation cards. And she got me this book. It's a 100-day devotional about life. So I'm going to start myself with a devotional today. I used to do them all the time and got busy and just stopped. So I'm excited to start up again. Thank you so, so much, Ashley. I needed this more than you know.